Hello, and welcome to Leon's Lockpad, and welcome to Stock Lock Sunday. It is nearly 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We're going to have a go at this. It's called, well, you can see it says US Lock. There's the button. Made in the USA, US Lock. I've never picked this style before. I got this out of the big box of locks that I got from Ben Jacked. Some of these in here are now mine in general that I put in here, but a lot of the ones that I got from him. I do need a favour though, if somebody can please try and give me an idea of what this is called, because I'd like to pick this next. But I'd like to know what it is so I can put the name up on the description and that. There's no name on it, so I'll be interested to know exactly what it's called. If anybody's got any good ideas out there. Right. But before we do, if you're interested in lock sport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk, which is UKLS, or you can find me on Discord or Extraordinary League of Pickers, and Lock Sport Anonymous on Facebook. If you like swim on my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon. It's about 2 to 3 videos a week, from picking locks to challenge locks to lock tutorials. It's all type of lock stuff related. Right, let's see if we can get this picked. Also, a little bit of an announcement. I'm going to be retiring from making challenge locks. My explanation is my eyesight's going, and I've got a bit of a twitch in my left hand, and my left hand's been dominating hand, and I'm finding it really difficult to make the pins. I tried to make a challenge lock a couple of days ago, and the pins were a complete mess. I just couldn't keep my hand steady. I don't know what was wrong. And to be honest, I've made about 70 to 80 challenge locks. There's other people out there that are prolific challenge locks makers who make tons of them. They're absolutely awesome. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and make them a little bit more of an exclusive. I'm still going to make them, but maybe like every 3 months. And I'm going to try and engineer the hell out of it and make it a really fancy type, fun challenge lock. Just do them once in a while. I'm going to carry on picking challenge locks and stock locks and stuff. It's just... it's getting a problem now for my hand, and I don't know why, but it's just causing me a lot of grief. Right, so I'm going to go for a Trekmaster deep hook and pry bar. Like I said, I've not picked this before. I've never. First time I've actually held one of these US lock mortise ones. Not this first time, don't you? Actually, do you know what? Not that one, sorry. Let me go for a Das Evers hook. This one is a little bit smoother. A little click. I hope everybody's well and they're doing okay. It gives you strange feedback, this lock. I tell you what it feels like. It feels like it's got standard pins. Well, let me try a counter. Let me try for another Das Evers one. Oh, got a little clip that time too. No, I'll go for a reset. I'll try clockwise. That was 4. Oh, we're open. Wow. That was freaky. That made me jump. Oh, I nearly locked it back. Oh, sorry, we've got a key anyway. Yeah, that made me jump, that. I wasn't expecting it to pop open. Did it with that one. It's an absolute gorgeous pick I got from Dad's quite a while ago. Beautiful. Right, let's get this gutted. Oh, we'll use a foxy penny tray on this one. Let's find a screwdriver for the back. We can lock this up. Like I say, I've never picked the, like I say, it says it's a US lock, so I don't know what type of brand. I don't think it's the American style, so one of you lads out there will let me know some more information about this lock. It would be really interesting to know. And this has got a bent screw in the back. That's been cross-threaded, that. I can rethread that though. It's definitely a stock lock. I don't expect anything fancy. Now we'll have to use a foxy follower, because you get, see like that, fits in there perfectly. Right, let's put the key in. Let's see what we've got. Curious to see what's in there. I don't expect anything in here except for standard pins anyway. Certainly nothing in there. Really nice, weighty core. Just get the tweezers. Yeah. Let's see what we've got going on here. So first one is a standard. Next one is a standard. The next one is a standard. And the next one is a standard. And the next one is a standard. I gather all the springs are going to be standard. Yep. That was really strange for, well, it says a US lock. I expected some spools at least. Something in there. But it's a really nice lock to pick. But yeah, it felt really weird as I was picking it. It was definitely standard pins. But I don't think I've ever picked, the first time I picked a standard American lock with all standard pins. But please let me know if anyone's got some information about this. It's a US lock, as it says. I know there's plenty of lads out there. Steel Pinnings, Bears Back, Albert LaBelle, Bill McCarty, Bobby Keys, just to name a few. I'll probably be able to give me some information on them. But that was a fairly fun pick. I enjoyed that. Well, thank you very much for... Oops. The camera nearly fell over. Nearly lost the plot then. I'll do this quickly before it tips over again. It's going. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.